Withdrawing money on PayPal without a bank is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the PayPal site in a web browser. Now tap to log in to your PayPal account by entering your email and password. Once you get into your account, tap on Proceed to Account Overview. Then click on Pay and Get Paid from the top bar. And go into Banks and Cards. You can see you don't have any options other than bank or card. Now to withdraw money without a bank account, all you need to do is open up a new tab and search Skrill. Then click to open its site. You can transfer or send money through Skrill. It can be used on various platforms. It also offers multiple ways through which you can withdraw your money. Now, by using a third-party platform, you can withdraw money easily. Simply create your account on Skrill and add your PayPal information in here.